eRank is a vast library of tools to help Etsy sellers, and in today's video I want to show you around the site, give you an overview of some of the tools we have here and how to navigate and use the site to get the best out of it. Once you've signed up for eRank, you will get the best experience from the site by connecting your Etsy shop, which you can do from any page on eRank from here or from your tasks page or dashboard from here. Then you're good to go. I'll be using my eRank expert account for this demonstration. Starting back at the bottom of the eRank side menu bar, we have your avatar. This shows your current shop you're viewing on eRank. If you have more than one Etsy account, you can connect further shops from here, switch between your connected shops and log out here. And note, any quotas for the tools are for your account in total and don't reset switching between shops. You can collapse or expand the side menu from here. This takes you to your settings page, where you can see details about your account and your subscription, manage your connected shops and Google Analytics integrations, update your billing informations, and even sign up to our mailing list. Above your settings, here's the link to our Sidekick browser extension, and here is where you find all of our tools. Clicking either on our logo at the top or here takes you to your dashboard, where you can see summaries of the data from some of our tools. So opportunities to improve your shop, what keywords are working, how your competition are doing, what's new in the blog, and what are the current top keywords actual customers are searching for on Etsy right now. And while we're here, it's a good time to look at some of the features on eRank designed to help you get the most out of a page. Clicking the Help button or the Learn More at the top of any page takes you to the article describing that page and how to use it. The little orange question marks are tooltips that explain that one section or phrase. And the Help button on the bottom right takes you to a number of articles to help you using eRank, and you can even chat with our support staff from here. This orange refresh data button at the top right corner tells eRank to fetch the most up-to-date data from your Etsy shop. We recommend you hit this after you've made changes to your Etsy listings. Top and center here, you can quickly shortcut to the keyword tool. Pick the platform you want to investigate keywords for, the country, type in the keyword, and then click here. The shortcut buttons are here to take you to some of the most popular tools. And all of our tools can be found under eRank's side menu. They're grouped together under what type of research you're wanting to do. So if you wish to optimize some of your Etsy listings, here you find your listing audit, the health check, and even our AI listing helper. Competition research? Want to know which shop is the top seller on Etsy, or which of your competition is having a quiet period just now? You can even see the tags your competitor is using. In keyword research, this is the heart of eRank. So here again, you can investigate keywords. How many buyers are searching for the keywords? What's the competition level on Etsy, or of course the other platforms? Want to compare more than one keyword? Check where your listings are ranking on Etsy for those keywords. And when you find great looking keywords, you can even save them all together in a list with little reminders to yourself to why you saved those keywords. Shop insights. Want to know which keywords are working in your shop right now, or where in the world your customers are coming from? In trends, you can see the top searched for keywords for times of the year, platforms including eBay and Pinterest, and in different categories. And tools, here you can calculate your profit or ad performance, see which Etsy category may be the best fit for your listings, and check and see if any holidays are coming up. And finally, in sites, you can see popularity data for some websites. Thinking of selling on different platforms, you can compare different platforms to each other to see how popular they are in the countries you sell to. Phew, that's a quick tour of how to find things on eRank. Because every shop, person and listing is different, you're all likely to use eRank in different ways, but I hope that helps you find what you're looking for. Check out individual videos if you want to see more detail about certain tools. And you're welcome to join our Facebook group if you want to chat with our amazing community about how to get the best out of eRank.